managing your daily life just got a lot simpler. Meet Daily Life Toolkit, your private, offline-first personal assistant designed to organize every detail that matters. Let's dive into the setup. First, enter your full name. This is a one-time entry that automatically personalizes your welcome screen and generates your emergency profile. Security is at our core. Take a moment to review our terms and privacy policy. Then accept the agreement to access your unified dashboard. You can start for free right away. Check out our use cases and benefits guide anytime in the settings. Next, we'll request a few permissions. Please allow notifications for alerts, as well as camera and storage access for managing your receipts and documents securely. The settings page is your control center. Here you can toggle features. And manage currencies. The app automatically detects your local currency based on your device locale, ensuring the entire toolkit works seamlessly in your home country, but you can easily adjust it to any currency for total global flexibility. You can check on each of the tool's top center portion, which displays the currency change from settings screen. Expense splitter. Need to split a bill with friends? You'll love the expense splitter. It's the easiest way to ensure shared costs are distributed perfectly and fairly. Creating groups. Start by creating a group for your trip, dinner, or household. Just give it a name and you're ready to start splitting. Adding expenses. Adding an expense is fast. Choose from predefined categories, enter the amount, and choose how to split. You can split equally or manually adjust for each friend. The app automatically balances the remainder for you. Settlements. Settling up is clear and transparent. Track partial or full payments for each friend. Use the history icon to verify past transactions, and keep an eye on the overview for any remaining totals. Once squared away, simply settle all and archive. History and sharing. Your settlement history is always available. You can view a complete summary in the History tab and share the results directly with your group for total transparency. Editing members. Need to make a change? You can easily edit or deactivate member names from your list at any time. Export to text/PDF. Exporting your data is effortless. Pro users can generate professional text or PDF reports to print or share. Free users can access a one-time preview to check the layout. Currency rates. Currency conversion rates shift, but you're in control. You can manually edit the exchange rates in the settings to ensure your splits are always precise. Group settings. Managing groups is secondary nature. Tap the settings icon within any group to update the name or delete it if no longer needed. Free limits. The free version supports up to 2 active expense groups. Plenty to get you started with smart budgeting. Archiving rules. Keep your workspace clean by archiving old groups. Note that groups with pending settlements will stay active until everyone is squared away. Warranty Tracker. The warranty tracker ensures you never lose money on expired coverage. Store receipts, track dates, capture barcodes and QR codes using camera and set reminders by adding the warranty or AMC expiry date, so you're always protected. Date of expiry is mandatory, which will work as a reminder trigger and list filter that will help to keep the record clean and maintained. Pro users get multiple reminders options, paperless document images storage, receipts OCR to capture amounts automatically, and full export options, while free users can enjoy a one-time PDF preview. Emergency Info. The Emergency Info module is perhaps the most vital part of the app. It stores comprehensive medical and emergency details for your entire family. Instead of hunting for paperwork during a crisis, have every detail, from blood types to allergy history, right at your fingertips. Generate a professional PDF for doctors or use a secure QR code for instant, flexible access. Please follow the steps in the video to set up the emergency profile of yourself or of your family members, along with the view of the features in the tool used. Upgrading to Pro benefits. Daily Life Toolkit Pro unlocks advanced privacy and power. Secure the entire app or individual modules with biometric lock, and use privacy masking to hide sensitive numbers from prying eyes. You can secure the entire app as well as each tools in the app. It supports Face ID, fingerprint and PIN to grant access. Want to see the full breakdown? Explore the free versus Pro guide in your settings to find the plan that fits your needs perfectly. Download Daily Life Toolkit today on the iOS App Store and Google Play Store. Join thousands of users organizing their lives with ease. Thank you for watching.